Derivation of the fourth law of indices. The fourth law of indices states that any real number assigned with a zero power reduces to 1. That is, anything raised to power 0 is equals to what? 1. And it states that a raised to power 0 is equals to what? 1. Our duty in this word part 4 is to what? Prove that indeed a raised to power 0 is equals to what? 1. Do you know a raised to power 0 is as good as what? A raised by 1 minus what? 1. Of course, 1 minus 1 will give us what? 0. So indeed, a raised by 0 is as good as a raised by 1 minus what? 1. And recall, there was a law that we just proved, talking about what? The second law of indices. The second law of indices says that what? A raised by what? M divided by a raised by what? N is as good as what? A raised by what? M minus what? N. So if that is true, it means a raised by 1 minus 1 is as good as what? A raised by 1 divided by a raised by 1. So wherever we see a raised by 1 minus 1, we're going to have what? Therefore, a raised by 1 minus 1 is as good as what? A raised by 1 divided by what? A raised by 1. Therefore, a raised by 0 is equals to what? A raised by 1 divided by what? A raised by 1. And that is equals to a raised by 1 over what? A raised by 1. A raised by 1 at the numerator, we strike a raised by 1 at the denominator, and the final answer becomes what? Equals to 1. Consequently, a raised by 0 is equals to 1. This is the derivation of the fourth law of indices. We shall be looking at the derivation of the fifth law of indices in our part 5 series. Do not hesitate to like, share, and of course comment. Watch out for part 5, derivation of the laws of indices, which has to do with the fifth law of indices. Love you.